How to sell an ebook in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell an ebook in Squarespace. It's gonna be very easy. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard. And then in this dashboard, you can choose the website. So basically, we're gonna use products or digital products. And in this page, you can go ahead to the products and services on the left side of the screen. And then go to products. And you will find all of your products. So this is my products. I have physical products and I have several services and also downloads products. So this is the digital products. So we're gonna add digital products so we can sell an ebook. So basically you can click add product here and then you can choose download and then you can choose the store. I have three stores. I'm gonna choose shop, click continue and then you can just put the name of the products and then the description of the products. Also if you want to add additional information and if you need to add forms uh, to the cart you can add form here. And also you have to add images or illustration of your ebooks. And then you can add inventory. So basically, I mean, if it's ebook, you can, make it unlimited stocks and also, yeah, like that. And don't forget to upload the file, of course. And then you can add organization if you want. And there is also selling tools if you want to add add-ons products or if you want to add reviews or related products and featured products. And also there is some marketing tools here. You can, add the social here and yeah. After that, you can just click save and you will see your products in your product page. And then after that, you can just click save and you will find your ebook on your product page. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.